We are back with some simple hands-on activities for letter D this week that have worked really well for us. Just play and learn. We started with the treasure box filled with everyday items starting with D, like dice, dinosaur. Next, we traced the uppercase and lowercase D using dot stickers. It is a great fine motor activity and they love peeling and sticking these stickers. For developing these spatial skills, we used a cardboard deer face and bottle caps as eyes. With simple direction cards, kids move the eyes left, right, up or down. For duck sorting activity, we cut out the ducks from red and green Play-Doh, then sort them into two different bowls. It is a quick way to teach color recognition and sorting, and kids love Play-Doh. Fingerprinting dandelions was messy but so much fun. It is great for creativity and motor skills. For letter formation activities, we use the Play-Doh alphabet mat for shaping the Play-Doh into letter D. Check the printable link in description box below. We used to build the letter D with wooden pieces, which feels like a game. And orange colored salts was used to trace the letter D with our finger. It is a very calming activity. Sensory bins are our favorite. We fill the bin with dry sago or sabudana and hit the cutout puzzle pieces of D words inside. Kids match and name each one. For dog and bone counting activity, we made a simple cardboard box dog and fed it the bones with numbers on them. It is a fun match practice activity as they match the bones with each number. Next is simple snip and sort activity. We wrote big and small D on strips of paper and let our little ones snip them with kids' scissors and then sort them into two different trays. Using the cardboard water droplets and a string, we did some threading. Every time she threaded one droplet, we named the objects beginning with D, like duck, donut. Here is a super fun and easy to set up activity in which we write a mix of letters on a chalkboard with chalk and ask the kid to spray only on letter D. We used alphabet cookie cutters and alphabet to stamp uppercase and lowercase D into the Play-Doh. Quick, tactile and perfect for letter case recognition. We also did beginning sound practice using the stamps on Play-Doh that begin with sound D. It is a super creative activity for which we use the Q-tips and dabbers to create colorful dot art inspired by the book The Dot. This printable dabber dot dino sheet was a super fun and hit. You can check the link below for the printable. Role play and imaginative play is so powerful. We brought out our doctor set and learned about different tools used by the doctors. We treated our toy animals also. Reusable dinosaur sticker books are great and require no preparation. They build little scenes, tell stories and keep kids super busy. And of course, we finished with a cozy reading session. Books are such a great way to reinforce what they have learned through play. We read Daddy and Me, Meet the Dinosaurs, The Dot, The Wonky Donkey, The Goodnight Digger and so on. Do not forget to check our printables for letter D with simple tracing and coloring worksheet, just 5 to 10 minutes a day. I hope these ideas help make your letter D week fun and stress-free. Find the printable pack link below. Join me next week for letter E. Thank you.